First things first, you'll need to be logged into your Squarespace website editor. Navigate to your site's dashboard and look for the Marketing tab in the left-hand menu. Click on that. Within the Marketing section, you'll see several options. We're going to focus on SEO. For this tutorial, click on the SEO option to proceed. Now that you're in the SEO settings, scroll down until you find the section dedicated to rich pins. You'll see a toggle switch here. Make sure this toggle is turned on. Once the toggle is switched on, Squarespace will automatically start adding the necessary structured data to your recipe pages. This tells search engines, like Google, valuable information about your recipe directly from your page. This means when someone searches for recipes, yours will appear with extra details like the preparation time, cooking time, and even a thumbnail image, all directly within the search results. This makes your recipe instantly more appealing and encourages clicks. For food bloggers, this is a game-changer. Rich pins, powered by Squarespace's SEO features, will make your delicious creations more discoverable and drive more hungry visitors to your site. It's a simple yet powerful way to boost your recipe's visibility.